Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change wallpaper in Lenovo laptop. So the first step, you need to come on to the home screen, click the right mouse cursor and click on personalize. So once you are on that screen, here you can see personalization is selected, so you simply need to click on background, and here you can see an option of picture. Click here, you can select solid color, slideshow, window, spotlight. So you can select any picture from here, or you can choose a photo from your PC. You can select any solid color from here, or you can upload a slideshow, and you can select the duration of the pictures from here. But I'm going to use the picture, and for that I'm going to select this one. Here you can see it is changed. Here you can see. So this is the process that you need to follow to change wallpaper in Lenovo laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.